500 action verbs with easy sentences. Part 1. Run. I run every morning. Run. I run every morning. Walk. I walk to school. Walk. I walk to school. Eat. I eat breakfast every day. Eat. I eat breakfast every day. Drink. I drink water when I am thirsty. I drink water when I am thirsty. Read. I read a book before bed. Read. Write. I write my homework. Write. I write my homework. Jump. I jump high when I am happy. Jump. I jump high when I am happy. Laugh. I laugh at funny jokes. Laugh. I laugh at funny jokes. Cry. I cry when I am sad. Cry. I cry when I am sad. Sleep. I sleep at night. Sleep. I sleep at night.